Hey Jeff, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your site here, it looks like you guys do some great work. One thing that I would recommend adding to your site would be to have some more content. The reason is Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're looking through all of the content that's on your site, what your photos are saved as, looking for what's called keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Amarillo Concrete. And so when your customers are searching for this here, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. With Shepherd Concrete, they have a few couple things here that I'd recommend for your site as well. These click to call buttons, or this form here, these are called call to actions, and they really help with your conversion rates. Looks like it'd be really easy to outdo them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each website here. So I have Shepherd Concrete plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. They have 0 and 2.9. And what UR and DR is, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And what's making up their ratings here are the 3.27 thousand backlinks that they have, which are coming from 19 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it is important to know that not all backlinks are created the same. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. In Shepherd, they have 43 keywords on their website. Now, if we go over to yours, here your URL is plugged in, you'll have 18 and 0.5, so you do have a higher number here. And what's making up your ratings are the backlinks. You have 230 coming from 36 referring domains. And so what I would recommend here would be to up this number here, so that would be getting high quality backlinks. That way you are beating out all of your competitors, as well as making sure all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into all of your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of the keywords that they have here. Alright, so here's some keywords that they're ranking for and they have on their website. Amarillo Concrete, 200 people are searching for that every single month. Concrete contractor, 90, 70, 70, 90, 90. And this list just keeps going here. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would want your Google Business Profile ranking, so have more citations there, as well as making sure that your website is ranking higher than your competitors, so adding more high quality backlinks, as well as content and buyer intent keywords. And then that way you have more eyes on your site, which would in turn result in more customers. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.